quick unboxing. It's one of these multi-tool. It's the 49109212. It's OMT blades. I'm not going to use the mini chainsaw. Heaven forbid, we don't have time. Oh, okay. So this is what I was wondering, and I'm super disappointed. This is their method. Sorry. This is their method for storing it in the case. I really was hoping that they had something in here that's a little bit better so that it could also engage into our bit bins. All right, so it's got a little converter collar. Multi-material, so that'll cut nail-embedded wood. 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 They come pre-lubed, so if you're gonna use it for something, you know, kinky. Another multi-material. What? You two people like kinky stuff. They're titanium. And then it's got some hardwoods. Oh, made in the USA. These are all made in the USA. That's pretty sweet. Hardwood Pro Curve. And then this guy, multi-material, titanium. I have found these ones are the best. One of the good things these are for is when you're doing undercutting for laminate floors or like VHT or whatever the stuff is called, those click and lock floorings. So yeah, check that out. The case is not impressive, so I'll probably get a hold of Vernon and get some holders for this. And yeah, this is just a real quick unboxing for y'all. See ya.